This is Jack from Custom Built Cars. We're doing a little buffing clip here. Give you a few tips on that. You start out with just a small amount of compound and start working it around, keeping it pretty much flat, and you'll see it cutting out the scratches and whatnot, and your polish coming around. You want to stay away from the edges of anything too. If you're inexperienced at it, you want to run tape along these edges right down here, and it'll keep you from burning through an edge on it. And then what you can do later on, after you're done, is go back with the little mini buffer and get up close to it. And we'll show you what the little mini buffer is right now. Right here, you just put a little bit on that edge, and it's a lot easier to maintain. It's a little air buffer, and that way you don't have to worry about it. The big one's catching an edge and ripping your paint off or burning through or any of that. Nothing worse than getting the car almost done and then something like that happening. Check us out at custombuiltcars.com. You can learn a lot. Have a good one. Bye.